My name is Racheal Byraruhanga. I'm a fellow in Butuntumula Umeya Primary School. Teach For Uganda Fellowship has been a very amazing journey. The 2 years have been so beneficial to me as a leader and as a fellow and personally. I joined Teach For Uganda Fellowship in 2019. Generally, I didn't think I would manage, but I managed to pass through the 2 years, which was really amazing. It has shaped me as a great leader, which I wasn't before. Basically, my mindset has really changed about everything. Yes, I see things differently, like from the way I used to see things before. Engaging with a community, working with children, different people with different cultures, has helped me understand how to deal with different people with different personalities. So right now as a leader, I believe I can deal with any person, irrespective of their culture, ways of life, character, and everything. The most important lesson that I've learned in this community is that impact takes very little. It takes very small actions, very little to really impress someone, to really change someone's life. Because us coming in this community, we've not done very many big things that can amuse someone, but those little things that we've been doing for them is really, really important. And I have seen people's lives change. I've seen children's lives change. I have seen children getting scholarships, getting to secondary school, getting skills, the skills that we've trained them, and the community is recognizing them. The community knows about Teach For Uganda. Yes, and that is very amazing for us. Teach For Uganda has helped me identify some of the education injustices, and that's the reason as to why I want to go back for further education, so that I can try to curb these challenges in the communities. And I'm going to continue volunteering in education sectors as I grow more as a leader.